Hey guys, just a short video on WP Traffic Rescue and how to use it. You can see here we already have the plugin installed, and to add a new one you can either click where it says WP Traffic Rescue or Add New. So we'll just go ahead and click on the top one there, and you can see up here we can click on Add New, and that'll bring us to this page. Now it's very important that you actually name this, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So we'll just call this one Paul's Interview, and this URL is going to be the one that slides in over the page where your visitors are at and are going to leave. Okay, so if you want them to see a sales page or a squeeze page, whatever you want to slide in to get their attention before they leave, that is the URL that goes into here. Okay, so go ahead and select that, and I'm going to copy that and just name this Paul's Interview down here also. Now, if you have a sales page or something, you may want to go ahead and change this to yes for the scrolling. If it is just a squeeze page, I would probably go ahead and leave it as no. And you can see we have our short code over here, and we're going to highlight that, right click and copy, and now we're going to go ahead and publish it. Okay, before we paste that short code into the page that we want to have the traffic rescue on, we'll go over here to the settings page, and you can see here a number of days before the page redirect shows up again. So if you want them to see that page every time they come on the site, regardless if they come on multiple times a day, you would go ahead and have this as 0. If you only wanted them to see it once a month, then you would set it to 30, every 2 weeks, whatever you want. Just go ahead and change that to what you want. Just you can click up and down on this. And the other thing, if you want to add it to the entire site, then you would just go over here to the drop-down menu. You'll see the previously created traffic rescue that we just created here, and you would select that and then save settings. Okay, for our purposes, we're going to select none and go ahead and save settings. Now we're going to go over the pages and paste our short code into a page, and we'll go over here to backend sales multipliers. Okay, and I'm just going to go and bump that down. Now you'll notice I'm here in visual. Okay, you don't want to paste this in text, and I'll show you why. When you paste it in visual, then it automatically adds the open and close tags for the code. Okay, if you just paste it in here and you paste it like that, then it will not work. You have to have the opening and close tags on the on the code itself. Okay, and when you do it in visual, then it does it automatically for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and update that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. And sometimes I've had to actually log out of the admin section if I were going to test this in the same browser. So right now I'm in Firefox. So what I'll do for our demonstration purposes, I'm actually going to go over to Microsoft Edge, and we'll open that up. I'll go ahead and paste in the page that we just pasted our short code in, and we'll wait for that to fully load, and that is fully loaded. And then when your visitor moves the mouse up to go to leave the page, you'll see that the page that we used for our traffic rescue has just slid over the top of the page that they were just on. Now since we're set at 0, I can go ahead and do this again. I'll refresh the page again, back in sales multipliers, and let that finish loading. And there we go. If they go to leave the site, once again, then that other page will slide in over the top of the page where they were previously at. So that's all there is to WP Traffic Rescue.